yeah, I like that motor. That will do. Right, that's going to come off. We've decided that. Right, that's all. Yes, that fits in there fucking lovely, like. What I'm thinking, if we can use this, we could then weld the fucking thing on there. Because we are supposed to be welders. This should take about 20 minutes. Alright, let me cut this facing you. I'll tell you why I stopped. I'd rather do that. Because it's, and I dare say other people have it, down it goes and it cuts through a wire or something really fucking stupid, which cost you half a fucking day's work. Like. It can't be any bigger than that, or any fatter, should I say. That looks promising. Looks very promising. Beat it onto there. That fits on there. Fucking hell, that's easy, isn't it? We'll be home for dinner. Right, just clamp that in there, Bobby. Do you like the sound effects? I like this old man. I can't get over somebody actually writing that in the comments. They said, I like this old man. What can one say? What can one say? What I've done is just left a little step on there. Just that, like that. I've drawn up there 3 inches, so that should go on there 3 inches, and there's no, that's pretty good. So we can either grub screw that in, or just put a spot of weld on it, I'm thinking. So we got to tap that bit. See that hole there, it was bigger than that hole there, so don't think I'm cracked up. I did know what I was doing a little bit. There you go. Please release me. That should fit in there, even though it's a bit long. I come out here because it was raining, and I thought, oh, that'll be nice. It'll be like the old days. Pissing doing. That would do, innit? That would do nicely if I just take a step out of there now somehow, and that would fit on, and as it pulls down in it, it bites the outside, not the inside. I know I gotta keep repeating myself because sometimes I don't know what I'm doing either. We're gonna be bigger than that, which is gonna be 25mm-ish. All I've done is a slight recess, so it fits over there like that. It is fitting over there. Look, it's just trying to wind me up there. So when that goes on there, that should not go on, Ella, until you actually tighten it. Now that should screw in there. If and when I tighten it, it should bite that as well, you see. Right, that goes on there. And this is going to go on there. Now, to my knowledge of understanding things, when that's spinning, So it's trying to tighten that nut up. So if it's cutting this way, that's going to be loosening the nut. So you want it spinning that way. So it's a shit pit. You're going to have to work. You're going to have to work from this side. So it's spinning straight at us. And that way it's trying to keep that nut tight. Is that right? Let me just get the galby off. Come here, Wayne, sit down there a minute. And pretend you love me. It's not bad actually. Not bad. It'll yeah, it's quite a long shaft stuck out there, but we should have put maybe a bearing on it. Now we got to build a stand. So if we wanted a platform on air, right, and how much have we got to play with? The thickness of that silver thing on air. We can put it that way. So we've got that much. Right, we're going there. Fast and furious. I personally wouldn't say that's fucking far off. So fucking cut it. Now weld down on there like that. But not yet. Why? Because we need two of them. That's why. You nosy fuckers. For those who can speak French. Scrabber. And I always get the feeling you do all this and then they don't fucking work. The motor don't work or something. Why did that look wrong? It's not bad actually, but my eyeballs is telling me something else. But we're going on with the show. Right, I want it in line with this. That's what I'm telling you now. But the simple reason is we got to put sides on. Because we don't want too much sparkies. Ooh, ooh. We don't want cramp in the hip. We don't want too many sparkies going down the tubeless. So what I'm thinking of doing is bringing it out like that. So then we can put a guard on. Shut your eyes, girls. We're only mock welding it for a minute because we're not sure yet what the fuck we're doing. And most people know me that I change my mind very fucking quick. I like that. Rob likes it. That's the way it's fucking going. What do you think about that, lads? It's nowhere near there, but that doesn't matter. It's got nothing to do with that. Right, now we need the missing chink. There it is. Ah, it does sit on there quite fucking nicely, laddies. Ladies and gentlemen. Right, we don't want it that big, we only want it about that big. I can't make it too long doing a simple little fanny job, like, you know. We want that bit, in case you wonder what that was. Buffalo Bill had a 10-foot will. He showed it to the girl next door. She thought it was a snake. She said to do it right. And now it's only 5 foot. Oh. You know what I'm doing now, don't you? What's that so fucking so tight for? It's not tight. You know what it is, don't you? It's getting late, and I'm getting tired, and that's what it is. Right, let me just have a look at how this all go anyway. That's fucking pretty good, Rob. Right, that's our target then. Right, that's the easy bit. Now let's go. Let's do the dangerous bit. That's good. Gotta be safe, you know. Right, that's the only part I recommend you don't do at home. Go and ask your mother to do it for you. So that is quite dangerous. Sailor for sailor. Finished?
No, but I have. That'll do for now.
Oh, cheers, love. Thank you ever so much. Well, I said, because I don't. This blade will be spinning this way towards us, because if it's spinning that way, it's going to undo that nut, the nut's going to come flying off. If it's spinning that way, it's literally working against the nut, except that, except that, except that. All the places to fucking fall, you're going to fall in a flicking grease tin. I think brown went in there, we'll see which way it goes, and can't go in, all you got to do is go like that, go like that, go like that, and it should go the other direction if we're not happy with the way it is going. So we'll get it out of there before we, where them wires now touching. No, that's pretty good actually. Let's just try it. Please go. I haven't burnt it out before. Wait. Oh, it's a plug. And when that's spinning towards me, that is spinning towards me, so we're looking good. Right, we want this for this sort of shit. Stuff was worn out. Stuff was worn out. It's no good. Throw away. Everybody else on the planet would have thrown it away, but me, I want to work it so we get to keep them. Blade in there. I'm just making sure these wires down here are not going to give me a fucking happy Christmas. This is a little motor I had of Mr. Wayne Ellis, which does what it's told by the way. That it's just touching the side slightly. That obviously will wear out before we can shout hallelujah. See, it works. Listen to that. I'm happy with that. Right, shut the fucking thing off. It's not going to fall off, I can guarantee my welding. This shield is just about at it. it's flashing on and off, you know what I mean. That'll do. We don't want to go pretty, we want to go usable, and that now is usable. Tomorrow we'll paint it, we'll put sides on it, we'll put a doodly. It's purely for using all your little bits up there. Now anybody else would have that would have went in the bin. Now all of a sudden we've got use for all these little tiny bits, and I'm telling you, you'll find them everywhere. I found a bit of steel. She's just turning manky, but it'll do. I need another clamp to go on that end. Only pennies. And I found this, because that would have went on that end, obviously. Apart from it's a bit wide there, I wanted it as narrow as possible. But it would have, we could have worked it probably. I've already got some. That's what it's for. This is my order. That's where I put my spare ones. That's off Newport wrought iron. Works. I wonder. Hey, all it takes is a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.